If you see blue or grayish smoke coming from your exhaust, it indicates that your engine is burning due to a leak. This should be a cause for concern. 8 most common reasons why blue smoke is coming from your exhaust. 1. Oil leaks. Oil leaks commonly occur from engine components like the gaskets, worn engine oil seals, cylinder heads, and the engine block, leading to burning oil and emitting blue smoke and a foul odor when dripping onto hot surfaces like the car's exhaust and drivetrain. 2. A blown head gasket. Excess oil from blown head gaskets can seep onto heated surfaces, leading to blue smoke as a sign of lubricating oil entering the hot exhaust system or other engine components. 3. Jammed, stuck, PCV valve. A clogged positive crankcase ventilation valve, also known as a crankcase breather, can cause excessive blue exhaust smoke. This valve is responsible for releasing excess fuel pressure in the crankcase. 4. Fuel and oil mixing. Excess oil will inevitably seep into your engine's combustion chamber due to damaged piston rings and valve stem seals, allowing it to mix with the fuel. When this mixture burns in the combustion chamber, the regular gray exhaust smoke turns blue. 5. Transmission modulator failure. A malfunctioning transmission modulator component, such as a failing diaphragm, might cause the engine block to pull in. 6. Transmission fluid. Here's the twist. Blue smoke results from the combustion of transmission fluid. 7. Turbocharger blown. If your car's turbocharger is blown and produces blue smoke, it's not a coincidence. When the turbo blows, you'll see a large blue cloud of smoke due to a damaged turbo casing or a broken oil seal inside the turbo. 8. Glow plug failure, diesel vehicle. If your diesel vehicle emits blue smoke upon startup, you most likely have a faulty glow plug. If you notice any of these signs, kindly take your vehicle to your trusted mechanic. That's all for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.